Columbine members, it's Tuesday, May 16th. We're going to try to get out of this wind for a few minutes, take you through a quick spin around the building, just in time to give you an update before the annual financial meeting tomorrow night. Let's take a look. As you can see, we've had a lot of progress this week. Despite some weather challenges, the porte cochere is in. It looks great, don't you think? I think that ballroom on the south side of the property has really come along. The framing is dramatic. When you come in that main entrance, the stairwell is now exposed. You can see the steps going in today. The bar, the main window, is obviously a really dramatic effect when you walk into that room, and they're framing out the bar itself. So that was kind of cool to see today. As you go into the kitchen, you'll notice they've actually cut that hole into the ballrooms. That's new progress. And now we can finally see the inside of the ballroom. And that first hallway is our path from the kitchen through the bar area and into the dining space. On the south side will be the fireplace, and on the west side, wall of windows and French doors out to the event lawn. It's a very dramatic effect there as well. So lots of great scenery and things to look at. Finally, as we come upstairs, you can see they're staining the beams. The tongue-and-groove ceiling is going in. Beautiful dark wood, great finish to that. And finally, here we are at the upper terrace at the men's locker room with just these phenomenal views of 9 and 18. So the rain's starting to come down, but still a ton of crew in there doing a lot of work. Really exciting week for us. Don't forget to come by tomorrow night, 7:30 at Wilder Elementary. It's our annual financial meeting, and we'll have Mr. Finnan and Mr. Gass will be presenting for most of the night. So don't miss that event if you'd like to attend. Please feel free to join us at the gymnasium for finally our last event, not in the clubhouse. See you tomorrow night.